What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today I have something special for you. I saw something and I was inspired. So today I'm going to be painting with this marble right here. Let me show you the colors before we get on to the base coat. I'm using golden iridescent gold, golden teal, golden quinacridone nickel azo gold, which is surprisingly a beautiful color. You wouldn't think so looking at it, but give it a try. It's gorgeous. The way it interacts with other colors is amazing. Then, golden phthalo turquoise. It's not one to focus on it, is it? Okay. But let's hop down to the canvas and start our base coat. Fun part, right? Let's get into the fun part. All right, let's pour this on there, huh? So right now we're just getting some coverage. We already have some bubbles that I know I'm gonna have to pop. Just want to make sure we have a nice even coat of paint on here. Now, there is no silicone in any of the colors, so we're not going for cells here at all. We're just going for, hopefully, really nice, fine lines. Kind of going maybe for a marble look. So it's going to be pretty exciting. I'm excited. I will find the channel that I watched that gave me this inspiration, and I'll link them down in the description. I feel like they're a new artist too. I don't know. I've never seen them before, but, you know, that doesn't really mean much on YouTube. Because you could be on here forever and you search for one thing and then all of a sudden you discover all these brand new people. That's why YouTube's so cool. Alright, so I am going to make small puddles with it, but I want to keep some of that white. So we're going to start off just making puddles of color. This gold is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we'll do some teal for that contrast. Yeah, the thickness of this paint, I want to say it's about a 1 second trace. I mean, you can kind of see when it's dripping in there. It makes a mound, but it's very short-lived. So yeah, about a 1 second trace. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Let's see, we'll break up a little bit of that white. This is that quinacridone nickel azo gold. It's a phenomenal color. If you've never used it, you should try it out. It's not much to look at initially, but so gorgeous. The way it kind of blends with the colors around it, it's absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to say that, and then when I actually do this marble, it's going to look like crazy look. Watch. It's going to make me a liar. Don't make me a liar. I have used the color in the past with blooms, and it came out just fabulous. Amazing. Stunning color. Loved it. So, that is how it got into this one. So I know that these lines are going to get distorted, because when the marble's rolling around in there, you know, it's going to be pushing colors around. It almost looks like with the medium I used that I'm getting some like feathering already, which is interesting. It's not something I expected, but it is interesting. All right. Now let's see. Are we ready? Because I think we got plenty of paint on there. We don't really need too much. And I don't want to make it just crazy muddy. So we're going to drop that marble on there and we're going to do this. Oh man. So just let the marble churn through. And it kind of trails off. If I had anything heavier than this marble, more dense, maybe a bearing or something, probably would be better. But it's creating cells somehow. There is no Floetrol in this. This is just a standard pouring medium from Liquitex Basics. So I don't understand what's creating the cells, but it's definitely different. All right. That gold peeking through though is pretty cool. Oh, look, I'm looking at the canvas and not paying attention to where it is. You might have missed some of that. All right, so we're just gonna let it roll off, and then we're gonna spread this out and see what we get. Yeah, see, the marble I think is a little too large for doing this form. I think a heavier bearing or something probably would be better, because it would make thinner lines through the composition, right? Oh my gosh. I'm already loving the colors I'm seeing. We got some blending of all the colors, but it's not in like a bad way. And we're somehow getting purling on the edges too. Like how it was creating cells. Well, now it's almost purling up. That's just an odd effect that I was not expecting at all. I like that white there though. Yeah, we're getting some crazy like purling effects. And the only metallic is that gold. I don't know, let me know in the comments, but I've thought that purling predominantly came from using metallic paints as the base specifically. But I mean, as you can see here, I mean, it looks like the purling effects can happen just dependent on, maybe it's the paint density. I'm not sure, but if you know the answer to that question, just let me know in the comments, because I would love to know. Because there is no silicone in here, and it's making some really wicked looking like fractal patterns. I like this a lot. But let me bring you guys down and we're gonna check this out together, because it's doing some really crazy looking stuff. So yeah, as you can see, like it's making these wicked little fractal patterns inside the cells. And then it created really stunning lacing. It almost reminds me of like a geode or some natural crystal. Really looks amazing though. I can't wait for this to dry and then I can put some varnish on it. Because even like with the whites, it gave me like a cloudy gradient. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Who would have thought? A marble.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.